This is how to open XAUUSD in TradingView. So I'm going to show you how to have access to it permanently so that you don't have to search it again anytime you come back to your TradingView chart. So what you're going to do is, the first thing you're going to do is just click on this watch list icon, then click on this plus icon, then search for XAUUSD. XAUUSD. So after you search for it, just click on this plus icon of anyone. After you click on it, it will automatically add to your watch list. Then you can come down, then you can drag it up. Then that way you'll be able to have access to it anytime. You don't have to come back and search for it again after you come back to your TradingView. So that way you can have access to your gold XAUUSD chart in TradingView. Hope this was helpful. Kindly like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.